1, 2. Ganda!
Ikinuwento ni DJ
Incredibly talented DJ.
Iconic photographer, DJ.
Tinapos si BJ Pascual.
Ano na everyone, I'm BJ Pascual, a professional photographer for the past 16 years now. And today we are back after a long time with a new episode of Musings, where I interview my favorite muses, old and new. And today we have someone new, which is Shuvi Atrata from PBB, and it's gonna be my first time shooting her actually. I'm super excited kasi ang ganda lang talaga ng face niya. Since we wanna highlight her Filipina beauty, magandang inspiration si Sabel by Ben Cab. So if you wanna find out what's gonna happen in today's shoot, keep on watching. Yung 120 saka yung And now we have Sir Elds Mejia, our art director for today.
Hello!
So Elds, what are we gonna do today?
Well, as you've mentioned, we're taking inspiration from a series of paintings by Ben Cab, which is Sabel, with our muse Shuvi as the main canvas, using fabric manipulation and the clothes as kind of the brush stroke. Perfect then even with Shuvi kasi parang I guess she's a great representation of a modern Filipina.
Yeah.
So parang dalagang Pilipina ngayon.
And we also wanna see Shuvi in a different light. Because like the past few months, we've seen her like
super glam.
like everything.
Oo, parang actually lahat na rin ng
Yeah.
looks na gawa niya. Parang nakita natin siya as a baby girl, nakita natin siya as
Island
glamazon.
girl, yeah.
Oo. So parang, wait lang, ano pa bang hindi nagagawa ni Shuvi in the span of few months?
True, and we're very excited.
Yeah, so check it out.
Okay, now we have our favorite.
Hi
Okay,
guys!
Princess Barreto, our production designer for today. Okay, anong gagawin today?
Well, actually, yung ano natin, medyo simple lang naman. So basically, we want to have a finish na mukha siyang part of a painting. So yung ginawa is, my team and I, so pinaint namin yung mismong wall ng mga studios. Yung pinaka-goal is meron siyang texture vibe. Kasi yung magiging ano natin, talent natin, meron siyang mga daming volume ng fabric.
Yes. Yeah, and medyo mahirap siya i-achieve yung mga ganitong finish and texture sa shoot. So, kinailangan talaga namin yung expertise nito kasi it can easily look cheap.
Yeah, kailangan may
Oo.
eye ka din.
Yes. So, kagabi we decided on the final colors of the background. We had a preview of the clothes sa deck kahapon, but it's really different when we see it in real life. So, tara, let's go. Hello! Hello mga mami!
Mwah?
Ikaw ba yung idol ko?
Ang ingay manang-mana sa'yo. Ano, charot
Ikaw
lang.
grabe.
Oo nga.
Hindi ganito dapat oh.
Gago ka. Kumusta?
Just ba to?
Mahilig ka ba dyan? Kumusta?
Okay lang. Thank you so much
Ano
for
yung expect mo
this.
today? Thank you for doing this.
No.
My God. Alam kong busy ka.
Kahit anong paggawa mo sa akin. Sa inyo lang ako papayag. Sa inyo lang ni Tazia.
I love it. O siya.
Thank you so much.
Art ka lang naman today. So medyo, I think, kalma lang. I think. Pero mag-stretching ka na rin, Justin.
I'm mag-stretching.
naman.
I'm arte pala. I'm just really grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you for doing it. And thank you mga mami.
Oo
Ito mga
nga.
nagluto nito.
I am with the best team.
Fidel.
Ay,
Ano gagawin niyo today kayo?
Magbe-bronze, magbe-gray, magmi-mink. Okay, kasi ang fact ni BJ is like, you know, band cab, very art. So ngayon, no, of course, we're just gonna enhance Shuvi's natural beauty. Kung ano lang yung halos no makeup look for the first one, of course, bibigay natin kay BJ. Pero yung mga susunod talagang pasaw. Kay Dale, hindi ko alam kung ano bang kulot ng bet mo today.
Kulot-kulot. Kulot parlor. Pero hindi, parang very Pinay lang.
Yes.
Leaning on siren waves
Yeah.
style.
But we have to
Yeah.
talk in English now kasi it's Kuya
Really?
G's video.
What? Sige na spell mo. Yeah, that's all.
So yan, check na namin yung mga clothes. Mag-work na kayo
Go.
dyan.
Yes po.
I'm so excited. So mag-run through na tayo ng clothes with the team. Team ni Kath. May mic kayo, di ba?
Hi, I'm Jazzy.
Katie, Ashley.
We're from Styled by Ka.
Yes, ito from archive ni Raho to na Sabel collection talaga. So isa lang siya, tapos pwede mo siyang iba-ibahin. So ganun, yun na lang. Yun, para mabilis.
Dahil bumibili, no? Gulong-gulo yung
Live sell.
Gulong-gulo yung mga tindera.
Very customer.
Pero short, hindi siya structured flow.
Big hair pa ka mo?
So medyo ganyan. Ganda! Grabe yung skin. Parang bigay ko. Isa pa, last. So yeah, we have for the first time ever dito. First time ko rin siya mag-shoot and I've been so excited kasi first time ko palang nakita yung face niya. Talagang sabi ko, ay shit, yan ang fantasy kong mga i-shoot, ganyan. And thank you for making time. Thank you rin, Tazia, sa pagluto dito. Charot na.
Iluto ng maayos.
Correct, diniem ko lang si Tazia. Sabi ko, gusto ko siya i-shoot, ganyan. So, ayan, nangyari na nga siya. How do you feel about today?
To be honest, Kuya BJ. Hindi kasi when I was growing up sa Isla, I used to, like, sa social media, nakikita ko palagi and it feels different now na, actually, you really made my dreams come true when you're doing your shoots with all the artists. Di pa ako artista nun. Palagi kong nilook up yung parang mga ganong shoots. Tapos, parang ano kasi siya, almost impossible for an island girl. Pero I dreamt, yun yung mga dreams ko before na para sa akin, wildest dreams talaga.
Aww.
Sobra. And really, to be able to talk to you right now, it's like, you don't know how much people are like inspired because of you. Yun yung naramdaman ko ngayon. Parang, pasalamat ako. Thank you kasi pinili niyo po ako.
Oo. Thank you. Pero thank you rin for making time because, I don't know, parang ang tagal ko rin walang musings. Like, ang tagal ko nang hindi na-inspire by, like, someone new. Alam mo yon. So, thank you. Kasi, even your story, actually, dami ko na napanood na interview mo. Ang first question ko dapat sa'yo, how did you start? Alam ko naman na.
Ayun, I was in the island. I was physical therapy student and then I started with social media. Parang content creation. Parang yung ang cellphone ko noon Android.
Oo.
Lagay ko lang dyan, tapos smile akong ganyan. Tapos it went viral. Nung nag-viral siya, minessage na ako ng Jagg, isang brand to fly daw here sa Manila to do a shoot, billboard shoot. Tapos during...
Tare, billboard agad.
Oo. Yun yung nangyari sa akin. First time ko sa Manila, first time ko sa plane. And then nung nandito ako, yun yung ginawa ng Jagg. Tapos na-meet ako ng isang executive ng GMA. So dun nag-start din yung ko sa GMA. I became an artist after social media.
Ang galing. Ako rin kasi taga-probinsya din ako lumaki. Ano yung first impression mo of Manila?
Ang mga buildings. Hoy! Taas. Tsaka siguro yung, traffic. Pero hindi naman kasi bago sa akin yung city life since I've studied in Cebu Doctors University. Parang sa mismong Cebu City. Very different din yung island life ko sa Manila life ko. Siguro dito mas kaya kong kumain. Parang ganun. It's not about the place kasi, Kuya BJ. When I was here, I was able to work and I was able to earn money. So I was able to eat 3 times a day. Yung parang nung nandun ako sa isla, parang palagi namin iniisip yung makakain ba mga kapatid ko. Parang yung ganun. So living here, it's almost fulfilling a dream na, kaya ko na yung sarili ko.
Fantasy. after PBB, sobrang bilis, di ba?
Super.
So, may na-discover ka pa ba sa sarili mo with your recent success?
Mas may ilalakas pala ako. Kasi I've been strong all my life. I've been strong as the eldest of 9. I've been through a lot. So I knew in myself I was strong. And then parang taking a risk living here sa Manila, I knew I was strong. Pero sustaining and now having that name after PBB, I didn't realize na may ilalakas pa pala ako.
Oo.
So yun yung na-discover ko sa sarili ko.
Palaban ka talaga, no?
Oo.
May napanood din ako, sabi mo, halos hindi ka na natutulog.
Oo, hindi na.
Kaya nga, thank you for making time. Just for buong araw, pag hindi na nire-realize ng mga viewers kasi minsan na pag gumagawa kami ng mga gantong episode, buong araw talaga siya.
Buong
Oo.
araw. Tapos nakabangko siya, so di mo agad makikita yung parang, ay, dami na palang ginagawa. Ako naman, di ko naman siya ina-out sa ano. Pero ito kasing shoot mo, kahit na meron akong taping today, cancel nyo yan. Cancel ko to. Di ba, munti ka na nga, kinabahan ako ng makancel. Nung sinabi, actually when Tazia did my makeup, I knew I found a team talaga na I want to work with. It's different when your makeup like is so good na you feel good about yourself. So I appreciate her that. And nung ginawa niya na connect niya ako sa'yo, like it's another dream, like a dream fulfilled and another dream underlying that. So parang sabi ko, hindi naman yung totoo. Sabi niya, uy, alam mo ba si BJ? Beses! Gawa ka na naman siyan. Pero totoo pala talaga! Tapos nakita ko yung deck ng mga plano. Ulo! Bakit? Parang, kaya kanina, sobrang ako, alam mo yung, ano ba, nangyayari talaga to. As in, sobrang pong masaya yung batang ako. You just healed my inner child.
Ito na yun. Ito na. 1, 2. Ganda. And 1, 2. Yes. And 1, 2. You're so good. And 1, 2. Ganda, Sugar. And 1, 2. Yan. Ganda yan. Now, moving on to something a little bit more serious. Bilang sinabi mong fighter ka nga. How do you deal with haters?
Hindi na parang mag-sugarcoat ka pa ako. Oo, nakaka-apekto sila sa mental health ko. Before kasi, when I started, diba, so abrupt. Like, I had 2 million followers. I thought I was okay na. I felt like, that's too much for me already. So, that was before PBB. And those followers were all, compliments everywhere. So, I felt good about myself.
Yeah.
And sometimes you're in a reality na, parang, ay, ang ganda ko pala, ganon. Tapos, I kept on doing me. Pero, nasanay ako doon. I banked on it sa good compliments, sa good comments about me. And then, after PBB, doon ko na nasalo yung mga bashing na mas marami pa palang tao. Nag-4 million na ako ngayon. Pero, mas marami. Yung love and support, ibang-iba. Pero grabe din palang bashers.
Correct.
Pero, na-realize ko, nung una, apektado pa ako. Pero, hala, kung saan kayo masaya, doon na lang. Kasi, when you know your true self, hindi mo dapat piliin maniwala sa kanya.
Yeah.
Yes, makaka-apekto kasi you're scared. Right now kasi nga, hindi na ako eh. Dreams na to ng brands that I'm working with. Dreams of the people who believe in me. Hindi na ako mag-isa ngayon eh. Kung mag-isa, I'll take the hit. But if I get bashed, somebody is also taking the hit. And yun yung masakit para sa akin. And kaya ako siguro naapektuhan. However, some bashers are really there to hate.
Yeah. And parang kasi I guess after PBB, parang people are more invested in your life kasi parang nakita ka nila halos ng ilang buwan, 'di ba? Na
Oo.
parang
As if they own you. Sometimes they're also living on a different reality na if you're my idol, you should do this, you should do that. And I'm just really lucky na there's no pretending for me. Like, I was loved because I was myself. So, doon yung na-realize ko, kung minahal ako kung sino ako, hindi pa na para mag-iba-iba pa ako para sa inyo. Kung binabash mo ako dahil sa mga nagawa ko before,
Yeah.
i-bash mo na lang ako talaga kasi I've made bad decisions. However, I got better. I really believe I got better. I'm making better decisions. And walang perfectong tao. So I just need to be strong and have faith na nandiyan naman si Lord eh.
Yeah, ang mature mo rin mag-isip, ano? Like, kasi, like, yung sinabi mo rin kanina na parang, dati, 2M pa lang yung followers mo, you get so much validation, di ba? And parang nakaka-addict yung validation, di ba?
Yes.
And now that parang mas next level pa yung fame mo, parang,
Ay,
parang naka-microscope ka ganyan.
oo.
So it's really important to not put too much importance on what other people say, especially strangers. Parang mas important yung people who really know you, yung friends mo, ganyan. And it's healthy to have a like good support system. Okay, on to like something more positive. Where do you see yourself in 5 years, siguro?
5 years, I'll be almost 30. I hope and I pray na I'm still the same. I don't want fame to change me at all. I hope with all the challenges, struggles that I may face along those years, I hope my heart remains the same. However, you will expect na mas fueled and mas marami pa akong dreams na ma-achieve and dreams pa na madadagdag.
Madadagdagan.
Oo,
Yes, yes,
madadagdagan pa yung dreams ko and siguro mas striving for more growth, success, hindi titigil. Padayon lang sa life. Oo.
Laban lang.
Laban lang, Jud. Ikaw, Kuya BJ,
Ano?
how
Ako?
do you see yourself 5 years from
5 years from, oh my God. Ano na ako 5 years from now? Ilan taon ako 5 years from now? 42.
Oh my God. 17.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi kasi ako ma-plan. Ma-plan ka ba?
Ma-manifest.
Ayun.
Oo, ma-manifest ako. I believe in manifestation with prayers. Parang good faith. Alam mo yung, you just believe that God will just make it happen. Pero I dream of it and I manifest it inside with prayers. You know? At sinisay ko out loud,
Oo.
ganun.
Kasi I guess parang pag nagmamanifest ka, parang you're setting a goal in your mind, I guess.
Tsaka hindi lang yun manifestation, it comes with hard work.
Oo
Comes
talaga.
with a lot of patience, hard work, and prayer.
Ganda. Ganda. Bless you. And more neck lang ng konti. Yan. Love. Okay. Ganda. Oo, go. Ilabas mo lang yan. I get it. So today, anong favorite mo sa mga shoot natin? Anong feeling? After nung shoot, napagod ka ba? Sumakit ba yung...
Walang pagod to. Ano to, kaya ko pa nga another layout eh.
Ay, isa pa daw.
Yun na yun. Yun na yun.
Wala. Kasi sabi ko nga kay Tazia, I am with the best team in the whole industry. So, there's no need to worry kung ano magiging itsura ko dyan. Kung ginawa niya akong papel, ginawa niya akong painting, ginawa niya akong... kung ano mang gusto niyong gawin, hala, feed ko fantasy niyo. Magiging mannequin ako for today. Kasi this is a dream. I'm living a dream that my 16-year-old self did before.
when I saw the pictures you made. Thank you so much. Lahat paborito ko yan.
Lahat?
Picture mo yan eh.
Ano? Lahat?
Kasi actually, okay ako nung isa, tapos ginawa mo yung pangalawa, tapos yung pangatlo, tapos yung nag-change. Ay, parang gusto ko pala lahat.
So, collage
True.
siya. Yes.
Ikaw-collage lang po namin yung first
yes.
post lahat ng layout.
Yes.
But thank you. That's it for today's episode. Thank you so much. Ang saya mo kausap.
Ay, grabe. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, follow, like, whatever you like. Do not bash.
Smile lang. Uy, masyadong mainitin ang ulo niya. Mainitin ang ulo niya nila ba? Mainitin ang... Mag-smile ka dyan.
Oh, ganda.
Pira tayo dyan.
Thank you. That's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Mag-comment lang kayo dyan kung ano yung mga favorite layouts nyo. And yun lang. See you guys next time. You take care, ha?